G'day and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. My name's Melissa and this is Mel's Crafty Paper Place. So thank you for stopping by and taking time out of your day to watch a little video. I am showing you what I got out of my Uniquely Creative kit. This is my layout share and my little cards that I got out of this kit. I'm scrapbooking a trip that we took up to my mum's place where she was living in Gladstone a couple of years ago, and we stopped at lots of beaches, Hervey Bay Beach and Tenham Sands Beach. My kids love the beach, so it was September, it wasn't too hot, it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I have so many beach photos, but I am nearly at the end. I may use one more kit and that's about it to finish off the photos. So yeah, I'm nearly there. So I have done, I think, like 9 layouts or 10 layouts out of here. So yeah, let's see. I just did this one, finished that one off, Treasures, just with some shells. It's very cute. A bit of glare there, sorry about that. So that one, it's my first layout. Second one, almost blown away, like she's seriously, if you see her hair there, you can see she's nearly, really is nearly, she's struggling against the wind there. It was so funny. And I'm like, are you alright? She's like, yeah, it's a bit windy. But still, that's okay. So that's layout number 2. This one here I turned into a double, which I'm really happy with. I love how that turned out. I'm really happy with that. I think I might sprinkle a little bit of sequins on this one though too. Actually from the last kit, the bluey acrylic ones. Where did I just put them? Over here. I might sprinkle a few of these out, I think, on there as well. I always forget to add the little bits at the end. So that's 4 layouts, or 3 or 4, however you want to say. 4. And then this one with Bianca and her little crab she found. And I've used the sand on here as well, the texture sand. I think it's from Little Birdie. Yeah. I find it really hard to use stuff like that, but I do, once I get to the stage where it's stuck and no more is coming off, I'm really happy with it. But getting there is really hard for me. So yeah, that one. So that's number 5. And this was Hervey Bay Aquarium. And the turtles are there and you can just pat them. Yeah. As they go past, they have a big long tank thing, that an area they go around, and you can, as they do their circuit or that, you can pat them. So yeah, and there's a little pocket here. I'm going to put a little bit of journaling in on that one. So yeah, there's number 6. Number 7. This one I didn't record because this one you stitch on, I think it was Rachel Lowe did it, and you stitch all on your leaves. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff. That's the back side, holding, just tying all the loose ends and stuff. I tied all the loose ends and then take them down. And again, we have the fake sand on there. It's almost crystally, so it does give a little shine on there as well. And that's one of the photos at Hervey Bay. Yeah. 7. I really like this one too. Number 8. Just Bianca looking at her shells. She loves looking at the shells and seeing what treasures that she can find. I do too. I enjoy that. I stitched on these ones as well. These had stitching on. So I did some messy stitching on there, and even on that one there. A little bit of splatters. I really like this one. This one turned out really nice. I put the little seagull there. It wasn't part of the kit because Bianca really likes seagulls and birds. Like, she really likes them. So yeah, threw him in there for good measure. Number 9, is it? Number 9 I'm up to. And this is just little Saxon at the beach. He loves the beach. Loves it. More fake sand, but I added a little bit of bling all the way through. And then up here with the toucan as well. Just put in the centre of the flowers. And that. Yeah. He was happy as a pig in mud, this kid. Number 9. Oh, this one. Yeah, I really like how this come out. So this is number 10. So this one here, I got my daughter. I am terrible, and I mean terrible, at watercolouring. My younger daughter, Carla, is really artistic. So I asked her if she wouldn't mind colouring these because they were die cut just on white cardstock. And so she watercoloured them for me and they turned out lovely. Mine would have just been a big blobby mess, just disgusting. But yes, they're so pretty. So yeah, really happy with this one. And this is little Saxon playing a xylophone that was in the park outside the aquatic centre at, well, not aquatic centre, what I got, aquarium at Harvey Bay there. So yeah, I love the little snippets on the side as well. But he loves music, like music in the park outside. Pfft, mate, this kid's in heaven. Yes, I love this one. It's so cute. So that's my layouts that I got done. Then I did use up some scraps on a couple of cards. So this is one card that I made. I had the base already, so I'm trying to use what I have and then just adjust it accordingly. Instead of cutting a whole new card base, I already had a card base, so I made it a little bit, I made it to fit. And I always like to put a little something on the inside, and then you can write anything you want on here. And I also put a little, just to strengthen the card base, put a little something on the back. So there's a sheet of paper and then a little die cut as well. And it just makes it much more sturdy, a little bit heavier, but a lot more sturdy to carry the weight of the products that we put at the front. So I do like to do that. That one. And then this one is nothing like what I think it was maybe Rachel.co did. But yeah, mine is quite different, but I just used the last of the product that I had. I popped the Aloha on there because I'm never going to use it anywhere else. I just thought, yep, it fits, let's pop it on. And then I put some little yellow diamantes where the stamens are on the hibiscus for a bit of bling, because I do like a bit of bling. And then so I pop Be Happy on the inside, and then that at the back. On and already, that was the card base that I already had, so just made it all to fit. And then it also had an envelope which I didn't have to make, and I just put a little bit of sticky on there as well. Let's put a little bit of embellishment on there if I can. Now this one I haven't finished because I want to find a toucan or that, because I didn't have, I don't know where my toucan went. I don't know. Maybe I didn't have one. I don't know. So what I've done with this one, mine is nowhere near as embellished as Shanna Bartle's card is. But I am just going to use, I just used my last pieces of patterned paper to do this one. And I also wanted to make sure that I could post it. So I did keep all of my flowers on the inside, so I'm a lot less embellished than hers. I'm yet to put some burlap, and I'm probably going to put like best wishes or birthday wishes or something up here. I'm going to find a bird or something, or maybe I'll do a die cut. I'm not too sure yet. So, but I have done the base, I've done the back, and I've also done the inside. Just nice and strong and firm, and I like the weight. I like my cards to have a bit of weight and firmness to them. So it'll very easily stand up nicely, like so. There's no problem. So that was my last card. So I got 3 cards as well. I thought I made more cards, and maybe I've already given one to one of my children to use, actually. I have a feeling that might be my 4th card. Anywho's, at least 3 cards as well. Now, for my scraps, let me show you what I've got left. This, and paper-wise, I've got, let me show you, this. So not much. Oh, that's not even part of the kit. That's just other white paper that I brought in. So I've got some of the burlap strips left, the border strips. I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those and a half. I'm probably going to use this little part on my card, so that's a perfect size. So I'll probably use up that little strip there. But I still have 5 strips left, so I think I used half of those. They're really fun. I really like these. I do like a bit of burlap. I've got a little bit of cork left. I do have a few of these because I used my own titles. So I did use one set and I used the leaves out of the top. I think I have a couple left, but I may slip those into my layouts as well, just to use them up. And I still have a couple of word pieces that I painted and then didn't really use and didn't really like. So yeah, have that left. A couple of leaves. This is all fussy cut embellishments. I'm not sure if this flamingo is even from this kit, but anyway, he's left. I have 3 curios left. No die cuts. I have rice paper, texture sand of course, because there's a ton of that, and this creepy sisal stuff. So I've got that left, and I've put that in a Ziploc bag so I can seal it to make sure no bugs get into that. Creepy stuff. Okay. With regards to paper, actual paper, let me get this up. The bottom piece here is actually the leftover of my sticker sheet, 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I've got that. Do I have any more of that left? No. I think that's it from there. I've got some cut aparts left that I didn't end up using. This was left over from another kit, so that's not even really part of this kit. That was a piece of cardstock that I brought in to die cut some of my flowers. Oh, this green piece is not part of this kit either. I brought that in to use as well. I don't know whether I ended up using it or not, but I thought, well, just in case I need to die cut some leaves or something like that. Last little bit of border strips as well. Yeah, I think I'll be throwing that in the bin. I do have 2 strips. Oh, maybe I'll keep that just in case I use it with my next kit, because it's a bluey aqua greeny ones, deep sea I think it's called. I think that will be my last kit that I use for this for doing my photos. So yeah, I'll keep them just in case. I'll probably roll over some of these things. I don't think I'm going to roll over all of them. I'll probably throw some of these teeny tiny scraps out. But yeah, probably those. But yeah, that I'll throw out. I don't really like that, so I'll probably get rid of that. Even these. I'll probably keep my hibiscus flower. I might even end up using that on my last card, so depending. I've got a little cut apart there, my other big flower, some leaves, mainly the border strips, and yeah, border strips, cut aparts that I've got left. And that's all the real paper that I've actually got left. That's it. So yeah, some of this will go into the trash or recycling, whatever. And that's it. I killed another kit. Yes. I feel so accomplished. Okay, that's all I've got left, I think. Obviously my dies that I'll just double check. My dies I will keep, but that's it. I used the whole paper pack, all the collectibles, the extra paper, the cardstocks. Yeah, just dies, the laser cuts. I had those little bits left. Cut apart sheet, I think I used all that as well. Burlap strips, half of those, yeah, and just stuff that you're going to reuse, the paints and stuff like that. So yeah, complete. I even nearly wore my book out, and I had to put some sticky tape on it to hold it together. but I'm going to keep it. Always keep these books. They're excellent inspiration. But that's it. That's all I've got left. So thank you for stopping by today. And if you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be lovely if you enjoyed this. And I will see you again really soon with another kit. And I might even do a layout share of all of the other layouts that I've done that are not being part of kits, because I have done some photos just for like challenges and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you. Actually, I'll do my next kit and then I'll show it all together because I'll be finished. So yeah, I'll do that. But thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you get some scrappy time in. I'll see you again real soon with another video. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.